Hello, welcome to MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calca, and today I'm going to be showing you a new addition to our lot, a 2020 Bennington 188 SV. This is a perfect boat if you just want to go cruising through the Sound, maybe hit up Crab Island, check out some of these awesome restaurants we have on the water. This would be a perfect option for you. Let's go around the back and I'll show you what this has to offer. As you see, this is outfitted with a 60 horsepower Yamaha, only 81 hours on the motor. It's just been consistently ran, but definitely not overran. Another thing I wanted to mention is if possibly you had a slip that was in the water, we got a fresh coat of bottom paint on there, so that's a good addition for that. Let's go up top side and I'll show you what else this has. Here at top side, the first thing you'll notice is the condition of the seats. Everything is pretty much brand new. No stains, no ripping, no stitching issues. You do have storage under all of these seats here as well. Got a nice comfortable helm chair. This does have a kicker stereo system as well as a Garmin fish finder, depth finder, so that's good especially if you're in these shallower areas in our bay. This also has an hour meter, which is a big plus, so you don't ever have to guess about that. As you can see up here, perfect spot for lounging, and as I said, this upholstery is in very, very good condition, and you got tons of room down here to store whatever you need. This also does have a pretty big bimini top that covers all the way out to here, so all your passengers and you would be covered if you had that out. If you're interested in this, you'd like to take it for a spin, give me a call at 850-225-9797. We'll see you soon.